Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Jenny here, the Uncrafty Crafter, and I have a little something special. I did not purchase this. This is a gift that someone sent me. Shay from Crafting with Shay here on YouTube, which she has a new channel, and she will be linked in the description box. If you're not already subscribed, head over and check her out. She's awesome sauce. But anyway, she sent me a message saying, hey, sent something to you. You might be getting it Monday. And I was like, okay. So, I mean, I was expecting it to be something in my mailbox. But when I peeked out the door today, I saw this Diamond Art Club box outside. And I was like, I haven't ordered anything from DAC that I should be getting today. So, and then I went out and grabbed it and saw it was from Shay. So, she said it was okay for me to unbox it. So anyway, that's what I'm going to do for you guys. So let's see what it is. I am nervous to see what she sent. So let me see. I'm going to have to open it from the end so that you don't see any addressages. See if I can get into it. Thank you so much, Shay, for whatever is in this box. You are something else. Oh, I see a card with some Whittle Hots on it. Let me open the card up and I'll read it real quick just to make sure it's not anything that you can't see. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that card. Isn't that pretty? Oh, that's sweet. It says, Jenny, just wanted to send you a little gift. I value our friendship and you are one special person. Shay. Well, you're special. You are something special, Shay. Thank you so much for that. I love whenever you know, it's just so cool to me to make special friendships with people that I never would have met had it not been for diamond painting and just this community in general. So anyways, let me pull this out and see what it is. Oh my goodness. Seriously? Wow. Crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is sweet. She sent me this one. Can you even see that? Let me see. It's Marina's Trio by Mandy Manzano, and it's the Sweet Mermaid. Isn't that precious? I love the colors in this. I love Mandy Manzano, period, but oh my gosh, that is so pretty. The colors are amazing. I'm thinking that Shay did a mermaid, she's got a Monday Mermaid series, or Mermaid Mondays, or something, I can't remember. And she's been sharing different mermaids that she has done, or that she has in her stash. Thinking that she had she's done this one. Was it the first one she said she had done? Or maybe the first DAC that she had done? And I can't remember if this is the one that she had framed. But I loved it. I remember seeing it and I was like, ooh, that one's pretty. That one is so pretty. Throw that paper in the box. But isn't that so pretty? It is really pretty. And I love that it's a round. Yay! Let me open it up. toolkit and the stickers. Yay! Okay, so here we have our sticker. Marina's Trio, diamond shape round, 55 by 55 centimeter. Isn't that pretty? It's so pretty. The teal colors, man, it gets me. I love it. Look, a little fish. Oh, it's just gorgeous. Look at these different, we have all the different symbols here. It's got 34 colors, and it looks like it's got 2 ABs, a white one and a yellow one. Or maybe it could possibly be like a yellowish green, maybe. Not sure, we'd have to look and see. But yeah, you can see the different fish in it. Here's a fish, she's got all this dark hair. Her little seashell boobages. So pretty, super pretty. And then here's our little sticker that we can put on the box. And then we have our toolkit. Because it's a round, this one doesn't come with tweezers. Okay, let's open this up. I'm excited to see it. Oh my gosh, Shay, I can't believe you sent this to me. Cannot believe you did this, you little... Oh, pretty, pretty. Look at these pretty colors. Wow, so pretty. Put those off to the side for a minute and we will... Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Let me roll it backwards just a little bit. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Much prettier in person. Much, much, much. I love it. I'm not like, I know that Shay is a huge mermaid fan, and it's not that I'm not a mermaid fan, but when I saw this one, I was like, ooh, now that one's one that I would do. That one is pretty. And I think it's because the colors. I love the colors in it. Oh my God, look at it. So pretty, pretty, pretty. Ah, I love it. I love Mandy Manzano's work anyway. I love like just everything about it. I love everything about it. The lines, just the different, you can just spot her artwork from a mile away. But yeah, this is beautiful. It is so pretty. The twos, the ones, let's see, the ones are... let me see if I can find them. Okay, so we have some ones in her body, a little bit here down the arm, some throughout her body. Her seashell boobages are mostly the white ABs. And then we have a little bit here in the bubbles. Looks like, I think they're bubbles. Are they bubbles? Maybe they're not bubbles. Let me see. Yeah, I think they're kind of like bubbles, maybe. Not positive, but... There's some here. We have a little bit in the very back part of her fin there. Her mermaid tail. Okay, yeah, I was right. The two is mostly here in her tail. So this yellow is mostly ABs. And I think that is probably all of that color that I see anywhere on the canvas. So really, really pretty. And I have some green ABs. And I know I have some blue ones. I think some blues would be pretty throughout her tail too, just here and there. Shay, thank you so much for sending me this. It's gorgeous. I probably would have never purchased it for myself, but now that I see it, I'm like, I want to do it. You know what I mean? Like, I really want to work on it. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. I love anything Mandy Manzano, though. You just can't go wrong with Mandy Manzano's artwork. This is so stinking pretty. Okay, let's look at these colors. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. And I'm happy that it's around. Can't believe you sent me this, Shay. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, friend. Okay, we have 2 big long strings. So we have some 702. I need to take my glasses off so I can see what I'm doing. Some 702, some 700, some 938, 939. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of 310. Some 699, 890. We have a couple bags there. Sorry, didn't mean to bounce you around there. 823, 993. I love that teal. 803, 814, 312, 3760. 597. The colors are amazing. Some 3371, some 300, 519, 3826, 3770, 783, 3811, 948, 165, 355, 907, 758, 3776, some 400, some 3830. There's our 141, which is our white AB. See how pretty it sparkles. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. And then we have some 798, 775, a pretty minty bluish green. Some 728 and some 782. I've missed an AB, haven't I? What number is that one? Let me see. Some 160. Okay, wait. I'm wrong. 165 is not an AB. 165 here. Solid yellow. That's where the tail is going to be a solid yellow there. Yeah, it's not an AB. I know it's 150 and under, but most of the time whenever those first couple of symbols on the thing, usually it's a 1 and a 2, and those are usually always ABs, but the number 2 is not. So, but that's fine. I can find some yellow ABs and put there myself. That's what I will do. Because I think it would be beautiful. And I know that I have some. I'm going to put these away here in just a second. But yeah, before I go, I just want to say thank you so much, Shay. I can't believe you sent me this, but thank you. I appreciate it so much. You're the sweetest thing ever. So, I'm always just blown away by the generosity of people. So, again, thanks so much, Shay. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this unboxing of, let's see again. It was Marina. Yeah, the name's not down here. Let me see. Marina's Trio. Okay, by Mandy Manzano. So, and it is a 55 by 55 centimeter. So, I think that I would like to put this one in my bathroom, maybe. I mean, of course, mermaidy things would look good in the bathroom, but it would be cool because I'd be able to switch this one out from the bathroom into my little girl's room, because what little girls doesn't love a mermaid, right? So anyway, again, thanks, Shay, for sending me this. You are something else, and I love you, girlfriend. Guys, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and if you're new here and haven't yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding ding, to get notified the next time I upload another video. Bye guys.